In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Weebly. This task is simple and quick, perfect for those who need to align their online store's currency with their business needs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Weebly's website. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and entering the URL for Weebly. Once the page loads, you'll see the free website builder page where you can either create a new site or manage your existing ones. It's important to make sure you're on the Weebly homepage to access all the necessary tools you'll need for the currency change. Next up, you'll need to log into Weebly. You should see an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email and password that are associated with your Weebly account. If you've forgotten your password, there's a convenient forgot password link you can use to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, simply click login to proceed. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Weebly dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your site. This dashboard is your control center where you can manage various aspects of your site, such as store settings, which is where we're heading next. In your dashboard, look for the settings option. It's usually located in the main menu and it's the gateway to adjusting different parameters on your site, including the currency setting. Click on settings and let's move on to the next step. Inside the settings, locate the option for checkout. Click on it and this should bring you to the area where you can configure payment settings. The checkout section is designed to help you manage how your customers will pay for their products and includes everything from setting up payment methods to currency selection. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page in the checkout settings where you'll find the Change button. Click Change to open up a drop-down menu of various currency options available for your Weebly store. This is where you get to select the currency you prefer your customers to be billed in. Now from the drop-down list, select the currency you need. For instance, if you are aiming to change it to US dollars, you would select USD from the list. This step is crucial as it ensures that your transactions are processed in the currency that aligns with your business operations. After selecting the desired currency, confirm your selection by clicking on Save. It's a simple step, but remember, saving changes ensures that your settings are updated and applied to your site. And there you have it, you've changed the currency on your Weebly account to US dollars, or whichever currency you selected. This update ensures your online store now processes transactions in your chosen currency, which can help in aligning